Many people post YouTube Shorts without understanding how it works, and when you don't use something correctly, it can harm your channel instead of helping it grow. Some creators have lost their monetization simply because of how they handle YouTube Shorts, but trust me, YouTube Shorts are not bad. If they were, I am sure YouTube wouldn't have added them. Shorts are simply designed to help your channel grow, increase visibility, and gain new subscribers to your channel. However, many creators misuse YouTube Shorts, which leads to poor results. So in this video, I'll be showing you 3 simple steps on how to use YouTube Shorts the right way to help your channel grow, gain new subscribers, and increase your watch hour. So if this is something you like to learn, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more. So let's get in. Step number 1. Understand why you are posting YouTube Shorts. Before you start posting YouTube Shorts, you really need to understand your goals. YouTube Shorts are very powerful because 1. They attract new subscribers to your channel. YouTube Shorts tends to reach larger audience, which help people to easily discover your channel and subscribe to your channel. Secondly, it increases visibility. Yes, YouTube tends to push your YouTube Shorts far and faster than your long form videos, which gives your channel the visibility and exposure it deserves. Thirdly, it promotes your long form videos. Yes, Shorts acts as a mini advertisement for your long form videos because it helps to drive traffic to your channel and for people to watch your long form videos. However, common mistake creators make is reposting other people's content. When you do this, it simply means you are promoting other people's brand instead of promoting your own. Yes, if the face in these videos you repost isn't yours, people won't recognize your long form videos when they come across one. So instead of using Shorts to promote other people's content, use it to start promoting yourself from today. Step 2. The easy way to create Shorts. Many people think that you need to start recording a completely new videos just to make Shorts and upload on your channel, but that is not true because YouTube has an inbuilt feature which allows you to make Shorts from your existing long form videos in your channel, and I'll be showing you how to do that. So here's how to do it. Go to your YouTube channel and select a video you already uploaded, and I'll be working with this unboxing 18 inches ring light video I uploaded. Once you click on it and it opens, hello guys, good. You select remix, tap on this remix option, then you tap on edit into a short. Tap on edit into a short. Once morning, good afternoon, you select the seconds you want. Right now is on 15 seconds, but you can make it 60 seconds. It's your choice. It depends on what you want to upload. So I'll be making it 60 seconds for the sake of this video. And please always make sure you select the most interesting part of this long form video you are turning into a short. The reason you need to do this is because when you upload the most interesting part of this long form video turned into short, it helps to bring traffic to this long form video you are trying to promote. So always put this interesting part that will make viewers want to come to your channel to watch the remaining videos. So when you do this, you click on layout. After selecting that part you want, you click on layout. Then good morning, good afternoon, good night wherever you are. So this good morning, good afternoon, good night wherever. Good morning, good afternoon. Once you click on continue, you can add text if necessary, but I'll just be writing my name, Esther. You click on text or any good night wherever write on your video, then you click on next. Once you click on next, you can edit your cover page, like your cover. So let me just say I'm working with this, then you click on the mark. After this, you can write a YouTube caption. Always make sure you add hashtag. I don't know, hashtag is very important, so always make sure you add hashtag to your caption. After this, you can set your visibility to either private, unlisted, or public, but make sure it's always on public, and you can schedule if you want. If you don't want to upload it that day or that time, you can schedule. So after doing this, if you really don't want to upload a video, you can still save it to draft, and if you want to upload a video, you simply click on upload short and it is ready. This is just how to remix a long form video into short. That is it. You can even create 2 to 3 shots from a particular long form videos and post them to bring more attention to your content. And trust me, YouTube will help you push them to a larger audience. Step number 3. Be the face of your brand. One big mistake many creators make is reposting clips from Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. This is a problem because the people in these videos you repost is not you. And when you do this, it simply means you are promoting someone else's content instead of promoting your own. New viewers might follow you through those clips you repost, but they won't connect with your actual content when they come across one. So instead, focus on making yourself the face of your brand so that when people see you in shorts often, they can easily recognize you or your long form videos when they come across one. And this also helps to build trust, consistency and audience loyalty. Remember, you are the brand, so use shorts to promote yourself and not other creators. If you want to see the right results, start doing YouTube Short the right way. Use YouTube Short to promote yourself and not other creators. Take advantage of YouTube inbuilt remix feature. Be consistent and post frequently. While you do this, you see the right results. YouTube will help push your content to larger viewers and your channel will grow faster than your imagination. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, drop a comment to let me know and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more. See you all in my next video. Bye.